it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic running. So it's going to be Sonic the Hedgehog running toward us. Okay, it's a kind of a different pose, so let's get started. It's going to be step-by-step for beginners. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to curve right here for the bottom of the face. Pulling up one side, up the other. Triangle for one ear. Triangle for the other ear. I'm gonna throw like an inner triangle to those. Go to the top, curve up, down, over here, curve out, in, over here, curve out, in and down. Go over here to the stomach area, curve, that's going to be Sonic's body. Let's go over here to the bottom of his face, and I'm going to curve over here on this side, curve, pull up, kind of a bean shape for the nose, circle, and I'm going to fill that in. Going to go down here, up, curve, line for the edge of the eye. Going to go over here on this side, curve up, down, curve over here for the edge of this eye. Really serious in this one. Curving in for the furrow of the brow. Gonna go right here for the top of the brow line, top of the brow on this side. Gonna go over here, circle, over here, circle. Gonna draw a circle in there for a highlight, small circle, and a dot, circle, and a small dot next to that. Gonna draw a line over here because he's kind of like angry-ish, or at least determined. And I'm gonna throw his arms coming out of his head because he's throwing them behind him. So straight line up, straight line up. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw, anything, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I'm gonna be drawing tons and tons of Sonic, so absolutely hit that subscribe button, okay? Up over here, curve, over here, curve, down. Over here on this side, you have that cuff. It looks like a marshmallow. Same thing on this side. It just looks like a marshmallow on his wrist. Over here, curve for the palm of the hand here a little bit. The thumb. And the fist. Going over here on this side. Same thing, knuckle. I'm sorry, the thumb over here, hand. Gonna have his leg bent back, so it just looks like a bean shape. Line down for his leg. Gonna go right here and draw the color differentiation. Curve, curve. Over here on this side, curve down, up. Over here, line underneath. And I draw a marshmallow shape there. And curve, curve. Line underneath. Over here. Line underneath for the shoe. Then I'm going to draw that stripe on the top of the shoe, okay? Curve. Don't forget to hit that like button, by the way. For any Sonic video, hit that like. Line over here. And now I'm going to throw a thick line just around the edges over here. just around the edge, the outer rim of the drawing. The reason I do that is because it gives it kind of a cool sticker look. By the way, don't forget to buy the Godzilla artist sticker. I'm gonna do another one of Sonic soon. So easy. Line up. Right here, curve down, up, in, down, out, curve. Line here, curve over here, curve over here. Again, we're just doing those completely all the outside lines. See how different that looks? On this side. Just gonna, again, you're just following the border, and what you're doing is, like I said, you're containing the line. Let me fix that line right there. You're containing the lines. Be careful using this marker because it does smell and it kind of gives kind of a bad odor off. You should be very, very aware. I think it's really bad for your brain, so you should just be super aware not to use this in a closed-in area, okay? Just be super, super aware about that. Now we can just kind of fix any remaining lines. Maybe even thicken this line a tiny bit right here because it's coming forward. Let's see. Alrighty. If you like this, I hope you do, hit the subscribe, like I said in the beginning. But there's two things you can do to help the channel out. That is share the video. Share it with, you know, anybody. And also, I want you to please donate if you can. Donate to the channel. A lot of good stuff going on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, do not forget to pick up those stickers. I will talk to you in the next video, and I will see you very, very, very soon. One last thing I want to talk about is go to the Sonic playlist. There's a playlist all about Sonic. I keep getting people asking me this. There's an entire playlist for this stuff. Go check that out right now. It's going to be the best thing you ever did. There's so many cool Sonic drawing tutorials on there. It's just wild. But I want to thank you very much for, like I said, all the support. You guys have been instrumental in helping me out. You guys have done so much for me, and I want to thank you by, you know, saying hi, and also just keeping the drawing channel going. Thank you so much. I'll see you later, and I'll talk to you soon.